Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the Morningscore APS review and see if it could be the solution we've been searching for. So to get started, what is Morningscore? Morningscore is a SEO tool. Think of it like a helper for your business or your website. These tools show you how well your website is doing online. It helps you keep track of your keywords, which are words people type into Google to find websites like yours. You can see where your website rank for these words. Morningscore also lets you pick out your competitor's website. This way you can see what they are doing well. The company behind the Morningscore wants to make SEO easier for everyone. The report helps you understand what's working and what's not. It's like getting a new way to understand your website online performance and all of that. So talking about this website also comes with a wide range of features. So let's get straight dive into it. So Morningscore has some really cool stuff inside that can help you with your website SEO. So these features are made easy to be used for use, and you can quickly see what's going on and what you need to do. So let's take a look at some of these best things it offers. So one of the best of our features this website offers is a rank tracker, which help you track the activities on your website together with a backline tracker. A backline tracker are like a vote from your others website. And also it comes to another features, which is a SIP checker. Ever wonder why some websites show up higher than other on Google? The SIP checker lets you see the result page, which is the SEP, which is a sub for your keywords. You can use the top ranking website, what they are doing, and this help you understand your competitors and find a way to improve your web page. So it comes with a title tag checker, and also come with the different features called a site explorer and other key important features like that. So talking about the pricing plan, they have different pricing plan. They have the light plan, the business plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. So for this, they have each plan has their own cost, which is a yearly cost. For example, for the light plan, you have about $490 to $500 per month per year. They also have about, for the business plan, they have about $690 to $700 per year, and a pro plan, which is 1.90 USD, which is yearly cost, and a premium plan. So if you want more information about the pricing plan, can just come back to the website to understand the key features that is listed on each and every plan. So that's it.